Hello everyone, today I come with another application that is very popular. The name is JumpTask. Yes, this is a paid application. You earn by playing games, completing surveys, completing tasks. So also you earn money by referrals. If you refer to people your link, you earn your money. Many people are using JumpTask, and then this is one of the most application I can advise you to have in your phone if you need if you need to earn money fast. Yes, this one I normally use it to get my transport. Yes, because it is quick, it is very fast. So how to earn money here? It's simple. First of all, go in my comment, and then you will see the link. You click on the link, okay, and then you register. After registering, then you will come in the home page, okay, and then I'm going to show now how it is working, this application. So this application work by, we have premium quick task. As you can see, those are premium quick task. Okay, just run now, in 1 minute it will completed. We have a social media task, and then here you can see, okay, social media task is about to go to see their social media page, or those things like this. We have play to earn, we have games, okay, and then this pay a lot of money because it take time, contrary to others. As you can see, $12. This one $29. So that is it. And another one is watch and earn. Those are the category of earnings, the ways to earn, okay. And then those are to watch and earn. Yeah, you watch YouTube videos and then you earn your money. Yes, I have clicked on one of the offer. That is why I enter here. Yes, and then another category, it is quick task. Okay, remember we have premium quick task and then quick tasks. Yes, it is different, as you can see. It is different. And then another one, it is surveys. Yes, okay, that is it. And if you want to see all of them, here it is, all of them in one place. You can just scroll down and then you see all of them like this. Okay, yes, as you can see, this one $29, $12. Yes, as you can see. Okay, so another one, how to earn your money is by referrals, right? You have to refer your code to your people. So what you have to do is to come here, you click on it, and then you come on referrals. Then once you come on referrals, you come here, you copy your code, and then you go to send to your people, and then here down you will see your summary, how many friends referred, and then how much you earn. Okay, and then this is category of bonus code. Click on it. Okay, add bonus code. You can come here, so you click on add bonus code, and then bonus code, it is the bonus they give you. It is like if you go to do a task, and then the money you should get, it is, let's say for example, $10. Because you have the bonus code, okay, it will boost your earnings. You will have like instead of 10, you will have like $50 or $20 because you have the bonus code. Okay, as you can see, boost your earnings by using bonus code. Yes, if your task is $1, you will get $2. If it is 3, you will get 4. So to get this bonus, you have to go to their social media account, okay, which is down here. So they publish, okay, Instagram, Facebook, X, Telegram, LinkedIn, YouTube also. So they publish every day. They publish the bonus code. And then now another things now is to withdraw. You will come here on earnings. You click on earnings, and then as you can see, the minimum to withdraw, it is 0.5 GMPT here. So this is the minimum amount to withdraw. Okay, once you get it, you can withdraw. But before, you must connect your wallet here. Okay, you will connect your wallet. Once you click on connect, and then you click on connect wallet. Okay, yeah, it is very simple. It's very simple. And then as you can see here, we have the all type of wallet here. Okay, what you have to do, you come on all wallet, you click on it, and then they show you all different type of wallets are here. Okay, wait. Okay, you can see MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance, Bitget, OKX, SafePal, so Bybit, all of them. Okay, there are many crypto wallets here. You choose one, and then you connect. Okay, then once you connect, then it is that the wallet you will start to send money on it. Okay, so guys, don't forget to go in my comments to get the code, to get the referral code for you, in order for you to get the bonus. Okay, yes, the application name is JumpTask. You can get it on Play Store. You can get it on Play Store. Yes, as it is like this. So thank you very much, guys. Okay, and then see you in the next videos, guys.